Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 475 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection on there for the customer's 1962 C10 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with the late model 4-bolt main block, double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, new balancer, roller lifter camshaft. We have the aluminum cylinder heads on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, proper oil pan for the 62 C10, brass freeze plugs, engine block painted black, black Taylor ignition wires made in USA, all the wire markers are on there. We have the polished intake manifold with the thermostat housing installed, thermostats in there, two extra coolant ports on the thermostat housing for any sensors if needed. We have the Holley Sniper fuel injection on there, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring and bracket. The Holley Sniper fuel injection will be completely dialed in, all the menu settings set. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running. You'll see the manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature. Be completely plug and play, ready to go. We have the MSD coil on there, small cap distributor, all set in place. That's real important for the C10 truck. Firewall clearance right there. We have the manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups. Braided PCV ventilation line on here. Braided fuel line going right up to the Sniper EFI. Gas filter all set, loop clamps all set, high torque mini starter, proper flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance, chrome dipstick and tube. We have the real nice 8-rib serpentine pulley kit on there, heavy duty 8-rib belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump. We have the 140 amp chrome alternator on there. GM Saginaw power steering pump, all set in place. So again, there you have it. This is our 383 Chevrolet 475 horse turnkey package with the Holley Sniper fuel injection. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.